assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I hope you had a great holiday because we had a lovely one here. This is our fourth recipe in 2021 and I hope you're going to like it. It's a lamb liver recipe and it's going to be great. Let's get started. So now let's season our liver with some pepper and some salt. Then we mix all of these together. And our oil is nicely hot and ready. So we're gonna fry the liver. I'm going to stir all these together and let it fry for a few minutes. Okay, so I'm going to add the garlic and the green seasoning in the knockers. We're not going to fry the lamb liver too long because you don't want it to dry. When it fries too long, it gets dry and rubbery. That's why we're adding the ingredients in. And I'm going to fry that for 2 minutes before I add the onion in. I've got 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, French mustard, that I'm going to add on the onion and give it that little taste. And I'm going to add a little tiny bit of the vinegar. Pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt. All these. Then I'm going to add it in the liver. Then we stir. Right, so we leave this to fry for a bit before we add our pasta in. Yeah. Okay, so now we're adding the pasta in. The liver is looking great already. Yeah, Fatou, liver bi pare na. Jaay ma liver. Ana guy. Manako ana Ajis Corner. Where is my people? Who remember liver breakfast in Gambia? You know that early morning, buro liver. Pare na the guy. Manako is already ready. So we're gonna turn off the gas and then take our liver out and have it with some baguette. So guys, the liver is ready and we're dishing it out in our bowl here. And if you like watching our video today and you like this liver recipe, please put your thumbs up and like. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on content by clicking the notification bell right over here. And that's all that we've got for you in in Fatim Ali's kitchen. I hope you enjoy watching it with us. Thank you all for watching. Until we come on your way again soon. Bye bye.